Let's go over how to create a sales receipt in QuickBooks. We'll also show you how to use the undeposited funds account, so you can group transactions together into a single deposit to match your bank records. Note that if a customer pays you for their purchase right away, you record a sales receipt. But if they're going to pay you later, then you create an invoice. We'll go over that in a separate video. To start, go to the Create menu and select Sales Receipt. Customer information is optional on a sales receipt, but if you want to track your sales by customer, you should enter it. The date of the sale defaults to today, but you can change it if the sale happened on another day. For payment methods, select how your customer paid you. If you want to add a new payment type, you can select Add New. For this example, we'll select cash, but if we got paid with a check, we can record the check number here. Next, tell QuickBooks where you're going to deposit the money. For this example, we will select Undeposited Funds. An undeposited funds account is a temporary account that holds payments you plan to deposit later at the bank. It lets you easily combine several payments together into a single bank deposit. However, if you're going to deposit this payment into the bank as a single transaction, then you can skip this and just select the bank account option. Next, in the product and service area, add what you sold to your customer. If you already set up the product in QuickBooks, you'll see the description and amount you entered earlier. You can also enter or change these while you create the receipt. If you haven't entered this item yet, select Add New and add it here. Select everything that's included in this sale. Once you're done, select Save and Close. Now you're ready to create your own sales receipt.